How to unlink Epic Games from Social Club. Step 1, you just have to open your Google web browser and then kindly go to Rockstar Player Support. Tap this one. And then here, all you have to do is to click the first one that appears. And this is what it looks like. Now, once you are on their site, all you have to do is go to the right side and then you have to make sure that you're logged in to your account, Rockstar account. Now tap Grand Theft Auto. Step 2, you just have to go to connectivity and then tap PC. And then you have to scroll down to submit a ticket. Step 3, submit a ticket. So all you have to do is to enter some information about your account. So you just have to type your username here. Okay, and then for description, all you have to do is to simply ask them to unlink your Epic Games from Social Club. Everything is up to you. You can type anything here. This is just an example, and you can also copy this one. Please unlink my Epic Games from my Social Club account. Thank you. And then step 4, you just have to attach some proofs and pictures here. Go to your Epic account, okay? Screenshot this one and then paste it in a paint. And then you just have to upload this. And then after that, you can just simply go to your account, I mean your Epic account, screenshot your account information, go to paint, paste, upload. Now you can go back to your submission of ticket. And then all you have to do is just simply attach these pictures as a proof and then click submit the ticket and wait for the customer service team to respond. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.